thought I'd jump back on here and do a follow-up with the high frequency and just show you I haven't moisturised, I'm cleansed, and I just want to give you an update of today, that breakout. It's so funny, I never get breakouts, but it's almost like I was like, oh, I really must do a demonstration of it, and conveniently I end up with a breakout. Anyway, I think I've been leaning on my face a bit, doing stuff, so be mindful of, if you're like me, who likes to just sit there with a book and lean. Not so good. Anyway, I just want to show you, I haven't moisturised yet, but it's dry. So the surface of it, my hands are clean, my face is clean. It feels quite dry and a bit crusty on top. That is what will happen. So that's what you should notice the next day, depending on the severity of your breakouts. So I'm just going to quickly moisturise with my Luminous. And I am going to do a bit of a slapdash version because I don't want the video to be too long. Now in the shower, when I was cleansing my face, I already did some pumps. And remember, go back to all the videos. Wherever you see this video, there'll be videos showing you lymphatic drainage. Okay? Now, again, I'm going to just work all over and then zap the top of that. And what will happen is this will eventually get so dry it will crust off. That's how effective it is. Not only that, it is so good for you to breathe this in, pure oxygen, so you'll feel that you breathe better. The better you breathe, the more you reduce your cortisol. Now if you scroll back to the other video, it does give you a little bit of a list of what the benefits are of high frequency. So contact, I'm going to just work all over, quick all over. Okay, you're going to be a bit more thorough, but I'm just making this as a point just to show you. And then I'm going to go over that breakout, and wherever you're going to go on the breakouts, you will feel the machine a bit more. And then I'm going to spark. I'm going to put my glasses on because for the life of me, 51 years old and I get a breakout. Now I want to do another video and I'll show how you can use it with the comb to help hair growth. And then I'll show another video of using it indirect, where you hold it and then massage your products into your skin, and it just, and we'll see if you can see a difference in my skin after. That'll be a slightly longer video, but yeah. So zap, 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 zap. We're not abrasive. We don't want to knock the head off it. You don't want any scarring. So you're literally not going to touch. Now the thing I didn't mention the other day is once you've done this ozone, there's no touching your face. I mean, if you touch your face, make sure your hands are clean. But don't break the ozone, okay? That simple, that easy. I'm going to get that listed up on the website, and as you can see, so can you see what happens is it's healing from underneath, killing any bacteria to stop it spreading. So this is where I feel like there's a lot of misinformation, and a lot of people that go to dermatologists straight up, they get told, I can't tell you how many teenagers I look after and how many teenagers have been other places and get told their skin, they've got acne or whatever they've got, when actually all they've done is they've mistreated a breakout and knocked it, and then it's spread the bacteria from it, and then it's continued on, and they have acne. Acne is a whole different story in itself, okay? So it's one thing to create a breakout based on hygiene, and it's another thing, or you know, basically having too much sugar. Like if you've got a breakout and then you're touching your face, you're eating sugar, you're eating badly, you're sleeping, not sleeping properly, all the standard things, not getting fresh air, not getting sunlight, it's going to make the situation worse. So it is so easy. When I say a high frequency, so simple, so old school, and it can change your life, change your skin, should I say. It's so beneficial in so many ways. We don't need these high-tech, glitzy, whatever. Come back to old school beauty. Works wonders. You know, I've never done anything pizzazzy with my skin. As you know, I've always used aromatherapy. I love my LED and I love my gua sha. And I'm 51, so you know, there's a lot to be said about keeping those channels clear. Every now and then we might kick off and get a bit of a breakout, but then you manage it. Easy. All right? Any questions, just message me. At the moment, just message me directly if you want one, and I will get it listed on the website as well. Love and light, everyone. Take care. I'll give you an update. I know our little friend's going later, or tomorrow or so. All right, take care, everyone.